Do you like to know the amazing stories behind the artwork of Amsterdam Light Festival? As an Amsterdam expert, I'm happy to share them with you. You can download a map with the locations of the artworks. The official starting point of the walk is at Artis Zoo, but with this app you can determine the starting point and the route yourself. You can interrupt the walk whenever you want. Maybe as soon as it starts raining, or if you feel like a drink on the way. You can also spread the walk over several days. You could even view this app from the comfort of your own home. If you're not going to Amsterdam this winter, that's fine. But if you are here, I strongly recommend that you admire the artworks with your own eyes. You will certainly enjoy them. This year's theme is disruption. The artists have taken their inspiration from various types of disruption. First of all, from the disruptions in society, such as wars, chaos, earthquakes, economic crisis, etc. We often try to avoid these disruptions, but sometimes it is actually a start of a positive change. Think of the #MeToo movement, or the new types of service, such as Uber and Airbnb. Secondly, the inspiration comes from the disruptive effect that we as humans have on nature and the climate. Finally, a disrupted view of the buildings of Amsterdam. You can change their shape with light, so you can look at them with new eyes. This is also a somewhat lighter theme, because it should not be too heavy and depressing. In total, 20 works of art have been selected by a professional jury from artists from 16 countries. The artworks are all specially made for Amsterdam Light Festival, which I will now call ALF. They have never been shown before. If you come with a group of colleagues, friends or family, you can contact me, and I'm happy to guide you personally during a walk or a canal cruise. Have fun with your discovery!